Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Apple Store education discount. So let's just get straight into the video. So using the Apple Store education discount allows students and educators and staff to save on Mac computers, iPads, and accessories. Discounts typically range from 5% to 10% off and sometimes include a additional benefit like Apple Care Plus, savings, or gift cards until or during back to school promotions. So in order to determine the eligibility, you need to be a current student and those newly accepted from a university, purchasing on behalf of a student if you're a parent, and any employee of an educational institution, K-12 or higher education. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and visit the Apple Education Store website, which is going to be the apple.com and then Education Store. So simply go ahead into apple.com right here and then look for the Education Store. Right over here, and once you click on that, you can simply go ahead and purchase right through this site and it will work out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.